Hi, Steph Lemrise here with Moon Valley Nurseries. I'm here with some tips and tricks for you to improve your fall landscape. Adjusting your watering schedule is one of the most important things to do throughout the year. Fall is a very critical time to do that. You don't want to be overwatering and have that ground oversaturated going into the fall season. The roots are actually expanding out and trying to absorb the appropriate amount of water. For deciduous trees that are starting to go in their dormancy routine, they don't want to have a lot of water on them. It can lead to root rot. You can see yellowing leaves, leaf droppage, and a lot of other signs. Here at Moon Valley, we're always here for you. You can visit our website. We have new and existing watering guides that make it really easy for you. And of course, we can always come out, give you any tips, tricks, and look at everything in your yard to advise you from there. Fall is the best time to plant for a few reasons. You're gonna get it through transplant shock. It's gonna really establish really strong roots. The ground conditions are excellent right now. And then when spring comes, you're gonna have optimal growth with all of your trees to have a really strong tree for the entire year and lifespan of that tree. Fall is the best time to fertilize your plants, trees, and anything else that might be in your yard. They've spent a lot of energy over the hot summer months, and they need that food to really get them back to growing and back to their prime. We have fertilizer for anything and everything, and we're here to advise you on what to use, how much to use, and when to use it. Fall is the best time to get any trimming or pruning done. You're gonna see a lot of stress from those summer months. You might see a dead branch here and there, a branch that cracked off. You might just still need it reduced or trimmed and thinned out. We're here to help, and we're gonna come out, get that done efficiently so that you can just sit back, relax, and then enjoy your healthy tree.